In this video, we will guide you through how to blur a face in Davinci Resolve. If you find this useful, then please consider subscribing and liking the video. First, open Davinci Resolve and import the clip that you want to add the blur to. So just press Ctrl and I key on your keyboard and navigate to the folder where you have the clip. So I'm just going to select my clip and choose to open, and then it will be successfully added. Now here you can just left click and drag it into your timeline just like that. After that, just go ahead and select your clip, and then let's say I want to blur the face for this clip. Just select the clip and then go to the colors tab at the bottom. And now here you will see the node area at the top. Just go ahead and right click on it and choose to add node and add a corrector node. After that, you will see this line. You can just go ahead and click on this line and they will be successfully gone. And now just go ahead and connect your new node with your previous node. So I'm just gonna go ahead and connect them just like that. And once that they have been successfully connected just like so, just go to the power window, which is this window, and choose a shape. So as for me, I want to blur the face, so I will add a circle, and now I will adjust it to my liking. You can use this drag handle to reshape it just like that, and I'm just gonna soften the edge by just dragging them out just like so. Now once you are happy with how it looks, just go to the tracker window and choose the option for track forward and backward. So I'm just gonna wait for it to finish, and now you can see it has successfully finished. Now go to the effects tab at the top right, and in the search bar just go ahead and search for Mojave blur, and here you can see this is the blur. Just add it to your corrector node, and after that you can increase the pixel frequency to your liking, and now you can see it has been successfully blurred. So now let's preview it, and here you can see the face is now completely blurred and it is even tracking the movement. And that's basically it. That's how you blur a face in Davinci Resolve. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.